What's going on YouTube? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update of Litecoin. Right now we're sitting at $155. We're up 13%. We've had an explosive move today. We've gotten through two major overhead resistances. So if we can get a daily candle close up above these areas today, that's going to be significant for Litecoin in our approach to get up there around 167. Then it'd be resistance up around 182. So we're going to get into all this stuff, guys. If you get some from these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You Litecoin people have been awesome. Tons of thumbs up, comments, everything really helping the channel grow. I started my channel with Litecoin. I love to see it rip like it is right now. And congratulations to everybody who's trading it and investing in Litecoin right now. So we're up above our 20 EMA. We're up above our 50, our 100, and our 200. Everything looking good there. The daily RSI, so we're looking at this on the one-day chart, is at 74 right now. When we're looking at that area, you can see this red line on the RSI. It's up around 82. Typically, when we hit that area, we get a nice retracement. So there still could be some room to go up there and tackle $160, maybe even that 167. And then we're going to have to see if we just consolidate sideways or if we're going to get another pump up to around that 182. As we've talked about with Litecoin, it's very aggressive. When money comes into it, it can run $30, $40 in a day sometimes. And that's where, what I like to do is look at Bitcoin and then trade Litecoin, because Litecoin is going to basically have a little bit more volatility. And one thing people have asked me, they say, do you do margin or any leveraging or anything? I don't. I like to trade spot altcoins. I think that's volatile enough in my opinion. And guys, I've done this for 3 to 4 years now, studying this stuff. So in my opinion, I'm still a beginner in all this stuff as well. And I'm trying to learn strategies and I'm trying to learn things. That's what I want to do right now. And that's my priority. So on this channel, as we continue on together, I want to teach you stuff. That's my goal, so that you can trade on your own. I want to try to help as many people as I can. And that's just the truth. Just speaking it today. So to continue to get into this, if we can hold roughly, we'd say $142 as support, that's going to be a nice little area for us. And what you can see is typically when we get these nice little pumps, these impulse waves to the upside, we'll come back and we'll test the resistance area that we broke out through. So resistance turning to support, then we pumped again, and then here we just consolidated sideways right on top of that previous resistance that we wanted to be support, and now we've got that next move to the upside. So as we continue to watch these areas up here, we want to see what type of candlestick formations we have at overhead resistance. That's what you're looking for. But long-term investors, everything's looking good right now. We're just going to have to wait to see when we will get that nice breathing period. But right now, if we could get a candle close like this today, that'd be a nice strong candle. And we'll have to see if we go approach some higher levels. And it's a sticky thing because you have to look at all the altcoins in terms of like Ethereum, and you're looking at some of the larger cap, because if Ethereum starts to dump a little bit, it can bring some of the other altcoins down with it as well. So that's why, guys, regardless of the chart patterns that's setting up, you need to look at Bitcoin and you need to look at Ethereum. Those are the two that are really going to paint the picture for the overall market. And right now we've been in that beautiful bull market. When we do have retracements, they've been roughly between about 4 and 10 days is what I've noticed. And another thing I wanted to bring up here, I don't have the article on hand. I just wanted to talk to you just roughly about this. But, for all the people who hate on Litecoin, Grayscale, the major trust, Litecoin's one of their 10 coins. It's even in their top 5, I do believe. And that shows that large institutional money can come into those top 10 coins that Grayscale has for people to invest in. You want to be where the money's at. That's the number one thing that I can tell you. So if this large institutional money is getting put into Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash, even if you may not like Bitcoin Cash, large amounts of money is going to be going into that, and it presents great trading opportunities. And even, not just talking about Bitcoin Cash, but even the top 10 that they have there, if you can stick to that, I think you're going to be a little bit safer, and then play, not financial advice, then have a few small caps that you believe in, put a little bit into that, and if things get spicy, then they get spicy, and that's awesome. And that's what you're looking for. But a lot of people, they'll leverage themselves. And when you get one of these large dumps right here, even though you're in a nice bullish uptrend, you get one of these large quick dumps, you're stopped out, your account's gone, and see you later. And I don't think that's the way to go. I think just trading altcoins is enough. volatility. That's just my opinion. I want your opinion down low on that as well. Do you use margin or leverage, or do you just basically trade the spot Bitcoin? Do you trade spot altcoins? I'd love to hear your opinion down low. Okay, so overall here on the 1 day time frame, stock RSI 71 and 51. If we take a look at our technicals for Litecoin, we have a 2 sell 8 neutral and an 18 buy. Oscillators 2 sell 7 neutral and a 2 buy. Moving averages 0 sell 1 neutral and a 2 buy. So looking good, like we talked about, for longer term investors. And I also want to point out, guys, in my description box I have my email down there. If anyone's interested, I've had people ask me about this, that $25 trend trading course. If you're interested in that, hit me up on my email there, and just send the crypto to one of those 4 addresses, show me proof of that, and I'll send it over to you. And a lot of people have really liked that video, so if you're interested, check it out. God bless each and every one of you. Have a great day, my friends.